Meaning of f.o.b.
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 f.o.b. f.o.b. stands for free on board, which is a term used in international trade to indicate the point at which the seller relinquishes ownership of the goods being shipped. The term refers to the point at which the goods are loaded onto the shipping vessel, and from that point forward, the buyer assumes responsibility for any damages or losses that may occur during transit. The f.o.b. term also specifies which party is responsible for paying shipping fees and insurance costs associated with the shipment. Overall, f.o.b. is an important term in international trade that helps clarify shipping and ownership responsibilities between buyers and sellers.